I'm full. Hi, Wendy.
Hi, Maddie.
What are you doing?
Playing, but I need more ball pits.
I did. Wendy, come here.
Okay, Maddie.
Wendy, look.
Wow, Maddie. Ball pit.
Wendy, look. Hi. Hi, Kaden. That way?
Donuts.
Sorry, I just have one. I did. Kaden, put your donut aside. Wow. Wendy, we have donuts.
Delicious, thank you.
I'm thirsty. Ooh, I'm gonna use my magical microwave. Huh? What's that? A donut? Who used my magic microwave? Time out for both of you.
It's your fault, Kaden.
It's Maddie's fault.
That was good, but I'm getting sleepy.
I go first. Hamburger.
My turn. French fries.
Oh, I have an idea. Let's put my slime in the microwave. Ooh. Kaden, that's good.
Okay.
This way. Add this one.
Okay. Wendy, let's put my dinosaur inside the microwave.
Yeah, let's go.
What's that noise? I'm hungry. Let's eat some chicken. I'm gonna go see what that is. Is that a dinosaur? I bet they're using my microwave. Come and get it!
Thank you, Uncle Paul.
You're not using that microwave anymore.
The microwave!
Bye-bye.
It's not bad. See? Ew!
Timeout for 5 minutes. No need to pout. Fix your mistake, and then you'll skip timeout.
Okay, sorry.
Very good. Now, where's Andrea?
Order's on the way. It's getting ready. Order's ready. Oh, oops. Still good. Good as new. Coming.
Not good. That doesn't look safe.
Here you go. Huh? You look like this burger.
Time out.
Let me serve this to my customer. Huh?
You shouldn't serve dirty food. No need to pout. Fix your mistake, and then you'll skip timeout.
Okay, sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll take your order again. Order up! One clean new burger. Thank you. There you go.
Thank you.
Very good. Now to check on Emma.
Oh, the cake's ready. Huh? I left the sink on. What is that? Uh-oh.
Not good, Emma.
Don't be silly. We have a lot of customers. Huh?
Time out for 5 minutes.
Aw, we can't be a 2-star restaurant.
No need to pout. Fix your mistake, and then you'll skip timeout.
But there's just so much to do.
Ah! Follow me.
Super duper! Huh? What is this?
Make as many burgers as you can.
Okay.
One step at a time, and you'll do just fine.
Okay, one at a time. One at a time. Yay, I won!
Good job.
I get it now. Thanks for your help. Order up! Coming right up! Burgers are ready!
Thank you. Good job. That was delicious.
We did it!
Hold on, you're not done yet.
Huh? Oh, another customer. What can I get for you?
Can I get the turkey burger, the burger?
Coming right down.
Oh, and lemonade, please.
Oh, okay. What? Emma, look.
Actually, can I have it to go?
Don't worry, coming right up.
Don't forget, one step at a time.
Oh yeah, we can do this. Yes, let's go.
Go, go, go!
Another order of fries.
Awesome!
Super duper. Your order's ready.
Wow, I ordered to go though.
Not a problem.
Wow, thank you. Thanks again.
Bye.
I had the greatest service ever.
Good job, you got the last star. Remember, one at a time.
And you'll be fine.
Ghost! Oh my God, there's a ghost over there.
Ghost? Let's go take a look.
There's a ghost.
Ghost? That's Maddie! She's sleepwalking!
Huh? Sleepwalking? Maddie!
No, Uncle Jim! We shouldn't wake her up while she's sleeping! Let's get her back to her bed. Here you go, Maddie.
Magic cookie.
Go back to sleep, Maddie!
Good night, Maddie.
Magic cookie, magic cookie.
Maddie! 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 Cookies? I love cookies.
Maddie? Maddie! She's sleepwalking again. Let's take her back to bed.
Hi, Maddie. Good morning, Kaden. You were sleepwalking at night. Huh? I don't remember. I think you need to go to the doctor. Come on. Everything fine, doctor?
Yeah, she's fine. A lot of kids sleepwalk at night. I remember when I was a kid, I also sleepwalked. But don't worry, sleepwalking goes around its own when you're older. Just drink a lot of water, eat your vegetables, and do exercise.
Thank you, doctor. Magic cookie, magic cookie.
Maddie's making cookies? Wait for me! Oh, they look delicious.
Cookie omelet.
Oh, thank you. Ooh. Nom, 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 nom. Huh? These cookies are terrible.
It not look like grandma cookies.
Cookie says hi. What is Cookie thinking about? What do you think, Maddie?
Cookie.
Correct. What cookie for you, Maddie?
Thank you. Your cookies are the best. How you making, grandma?
The secret ingredient is love.
I remember.
Oh, Maddie remembered how to make delicious cookies.
We need this. Love. And more chocolate.
This looks so good. Nom, 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 nom. It's delicious.
Maddie, what are you doing? Cookie. Okay, let's try it. Yummy. Maddie, you need to sleep. You too, Cookie Monster.
Yes. Wake up. I brought cookies for you.
I missed your cookie, Grandma. Me too.
Here you go. Yummy.
Eat aside.
Thank you. Here you go, Uncle Jim.
Thank you.
Let's see if Maddie is finished with her homework. Maddie!
Ooh, can I get 5 combos, please?
Coming right up. Maddie, huh? Guess I'll do it. Maddie! Oh, still doing homework?
Yes, Auntie Bear.
Take it easy. Let me know if you need help.
Thank you, Auntie Bear.
Oh, there you are, Maddie. Hurry up, you have a big order.
Okay.
Your meals.
Looks good, but can I get some ketchup, please?
Of course. Ketchup.
Okay.
Wendy. Uh-oh. Are you done cleaning up?
Hello? Where's my ketchup?
I'll be back.
Wendy. Wendy, are you done cleaning up yet? Not yet. Why is it taking so long? Okay, I'll be back. Okay, Auntie Ben. Auntie Beth almost caught me.
That's your for customer.
Thank you, Maddie.
Oh, I forgot to tell Wendy. Wendy!
Oh no, Auntie Beth.
Oh, Maddie! Maybe I'm tired.
Wendy, hurry up.
Maybe I've been cooking for too long. Wendy? Yeah, maybe I'm just tired.
I'm so lucky.
See you ketchup. Help me, Wendy.
Oh, we're busy now? Okay.
Ooh, that looks good. Where'd you get that?
I got it from Maddie and Wendy's store.
Maddie and Wendy?
Yeah, over there. Their food is always the best.
I'm gonna get a combo right now.
That's not possible. I have to check at home. Are you done with your homework, Maddie?
Not yet, Auntie Beth.
Oh, do you need help?
I'm good. Thank you.
Good job. Keep going. I'll go make dinner for you. Oh, do you need help?
I'm a big trouble.
Yes, you are. Secret room, huh? Come on, let's see what you have. What is this place?
Ooh, one combo for me, please.
Okay.
Maddie, come on.
Okay, I can help.
Oh, okay. Uh-oh.
Time out for 15 minutes. Timeout is over. Please clean up everything. And you both need to close this store.
We don't need the store anymore, Auntie Beth.
We earn enough money
Money for what? I don't understand.
to buy you soon. Look.
Yeah, your shoes are too old.
Oh, thank you.
You always buy us new school supplies, but never for you.
Aw, that's so sweet. But you need to keep studying. Don't worry about me.
Okay, Auntie Beth.
Now, let's close the store together. Come on.
Hi, can I have one hamburger, please? Mommy, cost. Can I buy this store?
Sure, this is your store now, Ellie.
Yay!
Welcome, Ellie.
Bye. Bye. Time to build a garden. My garden is done. Oh no!
Help me! Oh, help! I need to get it off.
What? He's a fat guy?
Ellie, help me!
Don't worry, follow me. Where's the turtle?
So this is your room, Ellie? But I can't live without water. What are we gonna do? Shh. What's she doing? You have a secret room?
Come in.
Okay. This is awesome, Ellie. Whoa, this garden is beautiful. Is this a pond?
You can live here.
Oh, this is so nice. Thank you so much, Ellie.
You're welcome.
Help! Somebody help!
Oh no! I'll be back later. Enjoy.
Bye.
What's going on? Look.
Oh, yeah!
No, Eric, don't chop the tree. You scare the bird. Huh? Where's Eric?
No, I don't have somewhere to stay tonight.
Don't worry, Mr. Bird. Follow me.
Okay. Wow, this is your room?
Yeah.
Your room is nice, but I need space to fly.
Shh, be quiet. Come with me.
Wow, is this your garden?
Yeah, I built it.
Hi, Mr. Turtle.
Mr. Bird, hey!
You can stay here and enjoy my garden.
What, really? Thank you, Ellie.
Welcome.
You know, Ellie actually saved my life.
Me too.
Yeah. Look, we even get our own houses.
Oh, wow.
Let me get some fruit for us.
Okay.
Bye. Oh, you two are here. Could you call Ellie so we can have dinner?
Okay.
Huh? Where'd my grapes go? They were right here.
Oh, there you are, Ellie. It's eating time.
Uh-oh.
Come on, let's go. I'm hungry. I don't want them to follow me. Ah. Oh, where are you going, Ellie? Where are you going? Wait, stop. Why is she not in her room? Ellie! 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 Huh? Eric, is she there? It doesn't really sound like her. Come, quickly. Uncle! The thief is in Ellie's room! That's not possible. Yes, come!
Here you said?
Yes. The uncle, there's somebody under there. What's going on? She built a secret room?
Let's check.
What?
Let's go.
Yeah. Whoa, it's so green. And clean water? With the turtle? Aha! You are here!
Hey, leave him alone. You're not welcome in the garden.
What? This is Ellie's room. Not your house.
Well, it's our place now.
No, it's Ellie.
Come on, kids. No fighting, please.
No.
We got
Oh, Ellie, where are you?
Mr. Turtle, Mr. Bird, I got...
Oh no.
Ellie, you are.
Ellie, can you explain what's going on here?
Okay. The reason why I built this garden is because you both were harming nature. What do you mean?
You were trying to catch me when fishing wasn't allowed.
Whoops. Sorry, Mr. Turtle. I didn't see the sign.
And you, Eric, were cutting down the trees in my forest. I didn't have anywhere to rest.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, but don't do it anymore. Ah! Sorry for messing up your home earlier.
Oh, it's okay. Thanks for fixing it.
You're welcome.
As long as you learn that protecting nature is important.
I got it now. Thank you, Mr. Bird.
Bye. Wow, the air's so fresh here now.
Sorry, Mr. Turtle. I won't do that anymore.
It's okay.
Bye.
I'm finally home. Hi, Mr. Lifeguard.
Bye.
Time to take care of my garden. And time to relax.
The air is so fresh in here. Garden's really nice, Ellie.
Thank you.